In this video, I'll show you a very beginner friendly pattern and crypto trading strategy that works on the 5-minute chart, but pretty much on every chart. You definitely want to backtest it. If you want this to be a more advanced strategy with a higher win rate, I would advise you to combine it with something else, another indicator, or just in conjunction with fundamental analysis if you're investing into a new asset and so on. Keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'll show you everything, but all you gotta do is slap the like button or I'll slap you and subscribe because my enemies are coming and I need 50k subscribers. And right now I'm at 49k. So here is a very simple strategy that uses different candlesticks from the ones you use. If you're new, you might be using these candles. There's nothing wrong with that. Actually, I found that these candles work really well in some environments. To to for example, if you're combining them with Ichimoku strategy to actually take profits when the price crosses the blue, the conversion line, it can be a good strategy. But what I would personally prefer, and this what this strategy will be based on, is the Heikin Ashi candles plus the 200 EMA. To set up the 200 EMA, you need a few things. First, you need TradingView. If you don't have it, there's a link for it in the description down below. By the way, while we're at it, I'm sponsored by MEXC Exchange. They're really cool. If you want to buy any of these altcoins, you can even short meme coins that are not out on the other exchanges. If you see a rug pull, you can actually short it before it dumps. You can find all of this in the description down below and my crypto signals group. So when we go here on TradingView and you have it set up, you want to click here, click on indicators, type in EMA, exponential moving average, just like so. And if you don't have it, what you need to do is click on the settings bar right here, the gadget icon, type in 200 in length. And what I would also like is to change the color to light and have it at something like this. So it's a little easier to see. Then you want to change from this, from the normal candles to the Heikin Ashi ones. You can even click here, change to Heikin Ashi. And then you have the Heikin Ashi candles, especially perfect in very good strong trends like right here, bad in trends like right here where you don't know what's going on. When here is a trade example on how you can trade Heikin Ashi candles. This is the line where you want to enter. Here are the rules for Heikin Ashi candles. When you have no lower shadow for long, meaning no wick, just like so, you enter and you can take profit on the first red candle with no upper shadow. And in this example, you would enter not onto the first candle, but on the second one right here. And the first real red candle is actually right here. So you can long here, short, sell here, right? And you want to always trade with the trend. So when the price is above the 200 EMA, you take longs. Below the 200 EMA, you take shorts. For example, here is a good example of how you can trade this. You would short right here because this is the first candle. And you can take profit right here. And that's actually a really good profit target. If we measure that price range from here to here, chances are you make 4%. Stop losses can be at the swing low or just below the candle. This is what a lot of people do on the lower time frames because they're trying to get momentum. So just to emphasize again, you enter on the first wick that has no shadow and you exit on the first wick that has no shadow. And you always respect the trend. Shorts only above the below the 200 EMA and longs only above it. You can even use the crypto screener to filter that out. I have it set up so I can have, where is it, crypto screener. I just have 200 EMA saved right here below or above 200 EMA. It's very easy to filter out trades. I can do a whole video on that. If you guys don't know how to do it, just ask me in the comment section down below and I'll make a whole video on it. If you have any questions regarding Heikin Ashi candles, again, your friend is the trend in the comment section. I would love to help you out. All you gotta do is comment, just ask, and you shall receive. See you next video. This video is no financial advice. Bye.